Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set face lock on Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to set your face lock on your Infinix mobile. So friends, how to set today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, first of all we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting. So guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone security setting. After clicking on security friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your face unlock settings. So guys, click here and guys next option. So friends, you don't have any pattern, pin, password. So I first we will set. So I first guys I will select pin and I will enter guys 1 2 3 4 next. So I be careful, don't do any mistake. Done option, then guys face option guys, click and next option. So guys now show your face to set your face lock guys. So after show face guys, done option, tap here guys, your face lock will set, and once you can use guys face lock in your Infinix phone. Once you can check we have this face lock. So when we will show our face, so guys phone will unlock guys, you can see. And guys you want to unlock your phone to enter your pin without show face, so guys swipe, enter your pin password and guys your phone will unlock. So like the guy we can unlock our phone to enter pin, and guys when you will show your face, so guys your phone will unlock it. So like the guy we can use face lock setting, means we can set it. So and once you want to remove it, so you can remove, you don't want to use face lock, so you can remove also if you want. So when enter your pin password here, and once you want to delete, so you can delete from here. And once screen unlock, screen lock, so guys when you will off from here, so friends we have face lock, but guys face lock will not show on your screen. So guys your face unlock setting is off, so guys turn on, then guys you can use your face lock guys. Use face lock, unlock screen lock guys, we will, and guys face lock will show. So when you will show your face, your phone will unlock. So like that guys we can set face lock on Infinix phone. So bye bye guys, we will meet in next video.